Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get a really kind of that glow, halo glow from within. So let's make a start. Firstly, sorry about this, I've just noticed it's ripped and it's dirty and yeah. So what we're going to do is do things back to front. So we're going to apply our bronzer and blusher, maybe highlighter first. Then strategically we'll place our foundation or concealer, and what it will do is it will bring everything together. So firstly, I'm going to take a bronzer. I'm using this one by Vive. This is in the shade Tan, and I'm just going to stamp this to begin with just along the bridge of the nose, the cheekbones, if you don't have a beard, and also down the sides of the neck. Now I'm just going to knock off the excess, and now I'm just going to buff this in. Think of this more like a watercolour. Don't think of this as contouring, just think of this as a watercolour painting, so that there's this kind of really gorgeous glow. Next I'm going to take Merit, and this is in the shade Rouge, which is my #1 favourite. And let me just blend the nose here, so I forget things. Okay, so I'm going to take it onto the bridge of the nose, on the top of the cheekbones and the sides of the temples. And same brush, I'm just going to stamp this into the skin and give a gorgeous effect. When we do things the other way around, so we do foundation and concealer first, colour can get quite muddy and sort of take over the face. This way we're applying it first, and then some of this is going to get blended away. So I'm just going to go back in at the kind of just a bit more, and I'm just going to use my fingers for this bit and just really work it into the skin. So next I'm going to use foundation. Now this is actually Merit. This is the uniform, and I'm going to use this because it's really lightweight. I put it in here because I decanted it because I wanted to know how many pumps there were in the original packaging, and there's about 180 I think, or something like that. You see, I'm one of those nutcases that likes to know these things, because then I can make an informed decision of whether I want to buy something again, by how long it lasts. So this is shade 20. So I'm going to take, and this is really sheer, so I'm going to take one pump and I'm going to dot it into the center of the face, just here underneath the cheekbones, and that's where we'll start. Now I'm going to buff this in, and I'm using a smaller brush, and I'm just going to start to move these colors so that the highlight becomes prominent and not just the bronzer and the blusher. Same thing underneath the eyes, starting at the sides, working it in, and just gently blending it into what we've done. And you just want to subtly just feather it over those areas, because you're not trying to get rid of what we've just done. You're just trying to enhance the glow of the face more than anything. And I think it's a really pretty way of doing it. Again, I've still got pretty much everything on the back of my hand. I don't see the point in going in and doing more if I don't need to. Next up, Laura Mercier. And this is the translucent powder. And I'm just going to take some of the shine off in the center of the forehead. And look how nice the skin looks. Do you see what I mean now about this halo here, this light coming forward? And you've got this just really kind of, it just looks like there's a spotlight on the face, in a good way. And to finish off, just for contrast here, the state of me, honest to Betsy's. I'm just going to do a touch of mascara, and this is just for contrast, so that there is some definition here at the lashes. And that it just sets it off. It just, suddenly the eyes are open. I should probably sort that out. Marvellous. Right, and that completes the look, my lovely people. It's that glow from within. Beautiful, beautiful. All the products and everything else will be in the description bar. It is absolutely glorious here today. It is 29 here, which is absolutely tropical for the UK, and we can say goodbye to that, absolutely. But it has been bloody lovely. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.